Welcome to AI Scope, where we take a closer look at the smartest AI tools on the market. I test them, break them down, and show you what's actually worth your time and money. No hype, just real insights. Let's zoom it. Shooting professional videos usually requires a camera, lighting, and sometimes even a studio setup. But HeyGen is changing that with AI avatars. HeyGen is a platform that allows you to create videos using digital presenters powered entirely by artificial intelligence. Instead of recording yourself on camera, you simply write a script. The AI then generates a realistic avatar that speaks your script naturally in a video. These avatars can look like professional presenters, educators, or business speakers. Some even mimic realistic facial expressions and gestures. One of the most powerful features of HeyGen is language support. You can create videos in multiple languages without recording separate versions. The AI handles the voice generation and lip synchronization automatically. This makes the platform extremely useful for global content creators, businesses, and educators. For example, a company could create training videos in different languages within minutes. YouTubers could produce explainer videos without appearing on camera, and marketers could generate promotional videos much faster than traditional production methods. Another interesting feature is the ability to create custom avatars. Some users can even build digital versions of themselves for personalized content. However, like any AI tool, it has limitations. The avatars may still feel slightly artificial in certain situations, and emotional expression can sometimes be limited. But the technology is improving quickly. As AI avatars become more realistic, tools like HeyGen could transform how online videos are created. In the future, many presentations, tutorials, and marketing videos may be produced entirely by AI presenters. And for creators, this means one thing: video production is becoming faster, more scalable, and more accessible than ever before.